Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoy these video clips. Have a great day and drive safe.
I see the fire in your eyes, it's like the devil in disguise when I'm around you, when I'm around you. Like a creature in the night, I see your eyes shine through the light. It's all around you, it's all around you.
That's genius.
Kid leaned out to tell me they were closed. Close this. I blew a hole in his face and his boy was like, "Damn, you got hoes, Tommy, you got hoes."
What's that place you're always talking about, John? I just got a bid for $8,000. Well, very confidently, I told her to go to newacunit.com. I also asked her to send me the difference between the bids. She did. First bid, $8 grand. Newacunit.com, $4,450.
So that way, if they're like this, so I can go before the dumbass with the
I'm just recording him not using a turn signal.
Oh.
You listen to me, mister. God did not put me on this earth to be awakened by filthy suggestions from a foul-mouthed...
Oh no, it's got to be a cookie.
Well, you just can't have it. What are you doing? Like, yeah, I don't know what the fuck they were thinking.
Chavez is back at Four Peaks Brewing Company. Pre-order your six-pack now at 98kp.com. Then join me and the HMS crew Wednesday, August 2nd at 6 p.m. at Four Peaks Brewing Company in Tempe, where you can pick up a six-pack. Plus, the first 98 of you guys are going to get a complimentary Ching Chavez pint glass. So place your order now. As always, a percentage of the proceeds go.
Tweakers be tweaking, tweaking. Tweakers be tweaking, tweaking. Tweakers be tweaking, tweaking. Tweakers be tweaking.
Oh, they tweaking, oh, they geeking, oh, they window peeking, oh, they tweaking, oh, they geeking, yeah, oh, they window peeking. Yeah, they tweaking and geeking and window peeking. I promise you one thing, these motherfuckers be tripping when they hitting. I promise you one thing, these niggas be tripping. They be hearing shit, but really ain't really seeing it. Woo. Think it's time for you to fire it up. Woo. Think it's time for you to get wired up. Yeah, go ahead and just sit back. yeah. Grab a bow and hit that, yeah. Some people like fooling straws, some people like to eat it sorted in the nose, shit. Even all these hoes, shit, they'll fucking sell a soul for a bag or a bow. I already know, you ain't gotta tell me something I don't know. Used to be the man with the motherfucking plug, used to be the man all